Welcome back to All in Crypto. In this video, we're looking over Ride USDT. This is on the Elrond blockchain, eGold, one of my favorite tokens. And yeah, Ride started off great, way up here on a $1.65, and just been falling ever since. It also was released right at the time that everything was falling back in March of 2022, and just kept coming down. This is the first retest on the daily. We're on the daily chart right now. First, not retest, but test of the daily 50 EMA. So if we zoom in a little bit, had some massive wicks trying to break above it, couldn't do it. We're still attacking that 50 EMA. And we've been kind of just, for the last, ever since June, we've been kind of in this channel here. So we broke up, came back down, hit in the middle, down, hit in the middle, down, middle. Finally broke up, had those wicks. Now we've retested the middle of this channel, around 20 cents. And are we going to break up above this 50 EMA finally? And the tiny market cap that Ride has right now, there's a chance that we can see some pretty large moves come out of here, depending on who's buying. If you look at the Fu Manchu, we are coming down. Looks like we might be getting a green dot on here on the Fu Manchu. We are all green on the trend meter down below. We started all green back on August 3rd, right before we broke above here, the center line on this channel. Stochastic looks like it could be crossing over. Let's see, can we zoom in here? Yeah, it kind of looks like we might be getting turnover on the stochastic, which would be pretty nice. And let's kind of zoom in here to the 6 hour. So yeah, on the 6 hour, we've broken up. We are holding support on the 50 on the 6 hour, which is good. We are still all green on the UT bot. And it looks like there could be some, we're making higher highs and higher lows, or no, we're making lower highs, excuse me, and higher lows, which could put us in this triangle here. And we are a little early for the breakout, so possibly, I don't know, a few hours. What am I on the 6 hour chart? So maybe by the end of today, maybe tomorrow, unless it breaks out early, which it always could do that. So yeah, but otherwise, according to the pattern here, the breakout should come in right around here. And we're on the 6 hour chart right now, so that's maybe tomorrow. If it does break out of this, let's go ahead and see where our price target would be. Roughly, it puts us above the 200 EMA on the 6 hour. And it would break us completely out of this channel. And what I'd expect is we break out of the channel, come back down and retest, and if it holds, continue on. Let's go back to the daily. Yeah, that could, I mean, if we broke out today, I mean, it gets us close to the green EMA here. It does break us out. So yeah, we'd break above the 50, come back down, retest either the channel or the 50 or both. If the 50 is coming up here, we can retest right around here. Let's go to the 12 hour, see if I see anything there. Nope, that just kind of solidifies my triangle pattern that I think is going on right now. It looks like it's about it. We do have a green dot, looks like, on the Fu Manchu on the 12 hour chart. I didn't check on the 6 hour. Yeah, so we've actually got 2 green dots coming in. No divergence, but just the green dots on both the trend meter and on the Fu Manchu. And plenty of room to go on the stochastic. So yeah, I'd expect possibly a breakout coming soon. That is Ride USDT on the Elrond blockchain. Yeah, like the video, share it, subscribe, do all that other stuff. I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude on his computer. Talk to you later.